tornado over there somewhere. Can you hear it? This is what a tornado sounds like. Clearing to the west. It was really loud before, so I don't think the tornado missed us by much. It's like a freight train, like constant rumbling thunder without quitting. I think it probably washed out my jelly for the Orioles. Too bad. I've had some orchard Orioles here too lately. And grosbeaks. Let's see if they're... Yep, there's a grosbeak. Little bit wet. Poor little birdie. Hummingbirds. Oh, there's an orchard Oriole. Right in the tree. Where is he? There he is. Listen to that tornado whistling. Ooh, I think I got rain on my camera. So I don't know if this will pick it up very well. The sound system isn't very good on this camera, but that's what a tornado sounds like.